Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I am going to be doing a uh, kind of 24 hours in quarantine video. I'm still in bed and I'm just like a head. I mean, look, my hair is atrocious. I really don't like my hair. Well, I do like my hair, I just wish it was all one colour. Um, I still need to get up. It's like, not too sure what time it is. It's like 8ish. I don't know like what I'm gonna do today, but I need to tidy my room, do some cleaning, film a couple of videos. I don't know. So, mm, how are you? I need to go and get something to eat because I'm hungry. Uh, yeah, so I thought I'd bring you along with what? Oh, so I can't talk. I'm too tired. I want to go back to sleep. So I thought I'd bring you along with me throughout the day, just to see what I get up to, basically. So, what are you doing in quarantine? Let me know. At least I've got nice nails. I've redone my nails. I like them. So, I'm up. Wow, I sat up. I've put some clothes on. I've started to get into clothes of like I'm okay to be seen in public wearing them. Because like if I feel like I, I'm ready to go out, I'm more pumped and I'm ready to start the day. But then 5 minutes later, I'm sat on my sofa watching Netflix. So I have a video going up at 10 a.m. Normally, I post at 6 p.m. when I've got a video going up, but I thought, you know what? I'm going to mix it up a bit. So 10 a.m., see how that works out. See if it does any better, then I have a new time slot. Oh my God, there's stuff everywhere. You know, like being in quarantine, I'm hooked on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if you're not already, and my flat is just like covered with stuff that I've used with TikTok in a TikTok video, and it's just been left there. Like on my side table, I've got 2 wigs that I use in a video. Do you think I could make it as a model? I don't know. Dad said I could be a model if I wanted to. Well, a guy pulled up in a car once and said I could be a model. I know, Gina. I stopped you getting into that car. I've still got this. This is from like that video done. I used them in my room to do photos. Like I'd lay them on my bed to do flat lays. I've got a mirror. I can't even remember why this is in my bedroom. T-shirt, that extra small T-shirt. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that anymore. And I've still got that soap. Like and a bottle of beer or cider, whatever it is. So yeah. And my outfit of choice is this Friends t-shirt, which I got from Boohoo, I think. It was like £8. Fits me perfectly, and I am wearing some chino type, lounge type, stripy type stuff. It's got an elasticated waist, that's why I wear them. I am going to sit myself in front of the sofa with some food because I like to watch my videos when they go live. So if you haven't watched that one already, go and watch it. It is the mixing face masks together for the fun of it. YouTube is on. It is 10 o'clock, so I shall be live. Right, go to subscriptions. Oh look, there I am. Can you even see? Nope. So there we am, and play. Hey guys! Oh, my hair looks so much worse than I actually thought. Look how patchy it is. I really need to redo it. So now I've watched myself, I'm going to be watching I Tried Living Off £1 a Day for a week in London. Ben Morris. Now this trend was going around quite a while ago, so interesting to see why he's trying to bring it back again. And now time for some tidying. And now for the dry washing. Oh, I'm pooped now. Bedroom's kind of done. I've just got a pile of washing to do. I'm gonna do one last vacuum round. I was gonna go for a walk, but it started raining. So, and I have got a bag of socks to sort out. Literally, I have so many socks that I don't always have to pair them. But now I've just got a big bag of socks that I need to pair. So, well, hey. I've got to sort out my wires there. I can't do that because I need a new wardrobe. That's the washing, and that's just that. I really want to like do something. There is one pile of socks, and there is one bag of socks. So I fell asleep. My very productive morning was going well till I sat down, and then I got tired, and then I went to sleep. Now it's like 5:30. I was going to stop in all day today, but I want to make something for lunch, well, dinner, and I've got no food in, so I may go and, oh my god, my hair's terrible. I may go and, so I'm going to nip to Lidl, good old Lidl. It's only at the road. I don't know what I'm going to get. I might get some mints. Actually, I've got mints in the freezer, so I could have pasta. I need some mints. No, milk. And some other bits. So I'm putting on my bandana because I don't want people to see how messed up my hair is. Even though I'm filming this in front of God knows how many people are going to watch it. But walking up to the road, to Lidl, I want to hide it. So, oh, my hands. So, I am going to nip out. I've got to take the rubbish out as well, so I shall see you in a bit.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. Oh no, it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies.
So I'm sitting down to eat. I've made myself a wrap. Looks a bit pathetic, don't it? I've got, I think it's pastrami, chicken, and cheese. After, oh, I can definitely taste the cheese. After this, I'm gonna watch. I've been watching Desperate Housewives in between watching Two Broke Girls. I feel like Two Broke Girls is still so underrated. I remember watching it at the time, but I didn't watch it all. And then it just went quiet. And I only actually remembered it the other day when I seen it on Amazon Prime. And I was like, ooh, I used to like that. And there were 6 seasons, and I did not know there were 6 seasons. Something like that, if it goes dead silence, there was only like 2-3 seasons, but 6 seasons, that normally like makes like it's normally a big hit. So I don't know why like no one's talking about it. I mentioned it to my friends, Sophie. Hi Sophie, and she was like, "Watch Two Broke Girls," And she also doesn't. She hasn't seen Chicago, so that's just another issue. So yes, I'm rambling now. I'm going to eat this. And then watch Desperate Housewives. I love Desperate Housewives. It's strange because I've just started watching Desperate Housewives, and on my Facebook memories, like 10 years ago, I was watching. I'd seen that I'd just finished watching the Desperate Housewives finale. So it's strange at the same time I'm starting to watch it when 10 years ago I'd finished watching it. So, yes, if you like this type of video, do let me know and I can try and do more. If there's certain types in this video that you like, let me know as well and I can try to focus on that. I always like to negotiate of what people like to watch, and it helps me record better videos. So, you know those super glue tubes that come in fake nails? I've just learned something. After years, I've taken the lid off, realising I've got no scissors, struggling to cut that off. You just turn it upside down and unscrew the bottom. Mind blown. So it's a few hours later and I'm just rummaging around in some makeup. I have a big bag of makeup. I've sorted out the stuff that I want to keep and what I don't, and I'm actually going to send a box to my sister. So I'm reusing one of the Beauty Bay boxes. I don't necessarily always chuck my makeup. I always find a home for it, whether it's my sister or my niece or just friends really. I've sold like makeup bags, like a mixture of everything, to my friends before, so yeah, I don't necessarily chuck it all away or always goes to a good home. So my sister has got a nice blush, she's got a palette that's too colourful, she loves a good neutral. I can't believe how late it's got. Literally, it was 5 o'clock and then I looked at my watch and it was like 11 o'clock. So I am going to have a rummage through this and then I think I'm going to get back to bed, get ready for bed. Is that too colourful? I don't know. I think she might like it. Excuse me. Oops. Right, yes, so I shall. Oh, I'm so excited about actually going to bed tonight. You know when you've changed your sheets and it's a fresh bedding night. I just love it. I just wish I had new pajamas to match. Oh my god, I hope to have a good night's sleep tonight. So anyway, I'm going to sort this. Then like freshen up, have a quick shower, and I shall see you then. So see you in a sec. So end of day brief. I have enjoyed today. I really have. It went quite fast, even though I had like a 3-hour nap. Actually, it was more like an hour and a half. Don't be dramatic, Matt. So yeah, this morning went okay. Like vlogging all day, it was like really fun. I just wish I was able to do it all the time, because like, I mean, like I wouldn't do it all the time because my life's not really that exciting and it's lockdown, so it's just going to be the same of what I've done today. But yes, ready for bed now. So I am going to kiss you all good night. I am just going to watch a bit of YouTube before I actually nod off. And I shall see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching. If you watched to the end, then please give me a big thumbs up to show that you've liked it. And yeah, see you next time. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.